and today I'm going to show you how to make a flower pop-up card for Easter. To make it you need A4 card or paper, a pair of scissors, some post-it notes, a felt tip pen and a glue stick. First, take a post-it note and fold it into a triangle, like so. Then fold it into a triangle again, and then one more time, like so. Next, take the scissors and cut the end of the triangle to make it round, like so. Scissors and cut out one of the two blank petals. Next, take the glue and glue the blank petal. Then, taking the end of the flower, carefully press it down onto the blank sticky petal, folding it in half. Repeat this process another 6 times with the remaining post-it notes. When you've done this, glue the petals where indicated and stick on the other petals as shown. Then take the piece of colored card and fold it in half. The petal on both sides and stick it to the center of the card as shown. Fold the card in half, pressing down well so that both sides of the petal are stuck down well. Open the card and see the flower pop out. Happy Easter!